I'm Anu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making cheese balls with a twist. This is something that will be loved by everyone. Let's get started. We will start by adding half cup of cream cheese and half cup of paneer. You can also use boiled potatoes. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper and chili flakes to taste. Mix until well combined. To this we will add 1 cup of crushed chips. Use any chips of your choice. Mix until well combined. Shape them into balls. At this stage you can fry them, but I will bake them. Place them onto the baking sheet. Brush them with a mix of butter and milk and bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. The cheese balls are ready. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.